I wanted to talk to you about something that could be really, really powerful for your business. It's a game changer for family wealth and it's a game changer for businesses across the UK, and that's setting up a group structure. If your business is growing, managing multiple revenue streams, or you're looking at succession planning, to name a few examples, then a group structure is the most efficient and the most powerful way to set your business up in the UK. A group structure is when you've got one company, the parent company, and multiple subsidiaries, which may be a property company, an investment company, and a trading company, all under that one umbrella of a group. So why go through the trouble of implementing this? Sometimes you're too busy in the business and you haven't got enough time to focus on implementing a group structure, or sometimes it can be really expensive to do so. And it's because the advantages are so significant. They are both for a tax efficiency and long-term wealth creation. The first benefit of a group structure is group loss relief. And this is where you've got one subsidiary that is loss-making and multiple others that are profit-making. And that one loss-making subsidiary can offset its losses against your other profitable trading subsidiaries. That means that overall you're cutting your tax liability and keeping more cash in the group for further reinvestment. The second benefit of a group structure is substantial shareholding exemption, commonly known as SSE. Now, if you've got a trading subsidiary as part of your group and you've owned it for more than 12 months, then you potentially will pay no capital gains because the money is going up to your holding company, and no corporation tax on the sale of that company. Now, that is really powerful because all of the money that you're getting for that sale can be reinvested into property, can be reinvested into stocks and shares, or can be reinvested into other trading subsidiaries. So benefit number 3 is the creation of a family investment company. And many of our clients over the years have used the group structure to implement a family investment company. Now, what this is you're keeping the corporate wrapper, you're retaining control of the group, but you're tax efficiently passing shares down to the future generations, which means as a family, you're keeping as much wealth in that family as possible. The fourth benefit is asset protection, and you may have a high risk activity trading company in your group, and that trading company has substantial cash and it has a property in it and other high value assets in that company, and you can move those assets to another subsidiary or up to the parent company. That means that if that high risk activity trading company has any form of legal or financial risk attached to it, you cannot lose those high value assets. Benefit 5 is the increased flexibility. So you can raise investment into one of the subsidiaries or sell off a subsidiary. And this doesn't affect the entire operation of the group. And what this allows you to do is gain more control over the group and give you better options moving forward. And one of the final benefits of a group structure is being able to transfer assets completely tax-free. So you can move cash around the group, you can move properties around the group, and for the most part, as long as they're qualifying, there will be corporation tax-free and stamp duty tax-free, which is a massive advantage because you're not losing any cash to HMRC, and instead you can reinvest 100% of your cash into more income generating activities. So over the years, we've had many of our clients come to us and ask us to implement this structure. But one that really stood out to me was a children's nursery. Now, this children's nursery had multiple locations under one company with multiple properties that the companies operated out of. And what we've done was that we implemented a group structure. We moved those properties instantly up to the holding company and we divided out that trading company. So you then had Children's Nursery, Milton Keynes, Northampton, Bedford, all as separate subsidiaries. And what this allowed them to do is that when they brought on another sub and bought another business, they moved the property instantly to the holding company and they incentivized their management team that was going to manage that nursery, which gives you increased control. It retains the key staff in the business, and it means that you've got increased asset protection in that group. So if you've got multiple income streams, multiple properties, or you're looking for long-term wealth creation, then we can guide you through step by step how to implement the group structure and make sure that you're maximizing the tax advantage of your businesses and you personally. So please contact us on email or phone, and we can have a free discovery call.